Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum continues to be in this wave 2 correction that we've been talking about for basically for months now, or at least many weeks. And yeah, it already hit our trend reversal area. Yeah, so from that point of view, it can have bottomed at any point. However, so far there is no impulsive reversal to the upside. So again, primary expectation has to be for another low to be formed. At the moment, looking at the lower time frame, it would be ideal for price to stay below 1847 now and continue to sell off as part of an ending diagonal. So we will have a lot of overlaps, choppy price action, and there is no change really. So for me, it's no change in expectations as long as we're holding below 1847. We might see a bit of up and down. We might see a few distortions today because today we've got Jerome Powell. I think he's participating in a panel discussion, or he's got a speech 11 a.m. Eastern time. So it always depends a little bit. Sometimes he says stuff that so far was unknown, but typically he doesn't say anything new. So well, he normally talks about new stuff in the press conferences after the FOMC meetings. But in these panel discussions, there's typically not much new stuff, but we'll see. It can generate some volatility. So maybe we see the trend line break or the resistance break. If we break resistance, would it be bullish? No, not necessarily. I will then start to explore a bullish count. I showed you that in yesterday's video. It would be a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down, wave 5 up. But this would be less than ideal because it would be based on a diagonal pattern, because what I would then count as a wave 1 is just a 3-wave move. That only happens in a diagonal. So these are less reliable because they can easily be counted as corrections. And here we have the next problem, because if we get a break above 1847, I looked at the chart again today, it could very well be that all of this here was, for example, an A wave. Yeah, a larger A wave, so that this A is going to sit here, which is possible because it's a 3-wave move down, yeah. And then we could get quite a steep B wave, something like that. That's possible before we come down in a C wave. So that would be horrible. Yeah, I just want to bring the possibility onto the table here, onto the chart, because it is a possibility. Same actually applies for Bitcoin as well. Or if we break above 1847, then we could just get an extension of the 4th wave. But that 4th is already quite healthy, is already quite strong, quite long. So ideally we don't see a longer wave fall. So again, just because we break above resistance doesn't mean we go all bullish, at least not yet. It could just be an indication for a larger bounce to the upside, which could be corrective, which is tradable though, okay? Because this was the trend reversal area, right? So we hit it already on the 12th of May, but it's just that since then we haven't seen any impulsive reversal and we are stuck below resistance. So as long as we stay below 1847, this count is valid and remains my primary view that we could get into the region around 1660, maybe 1690. And then we have another chance to bounce from there. If we break above that level, upside could be corrective. And if I see that coming, I will sketch out the alternatives, because this count, this direct sell-off count then will become basically, yeah, well, it will become invalidated if we break above 1847. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.